December 2007. I went through a horrific stage in my life. I was raped twice, threat to kill, held hostage. My court case didn't come to light for a year later because the person that raped me was a serial rapist. There was 4 or 5 other victims that came forward, so it was a massive court case. And basically, because I had really good counselling, I really wanted to help other people in my situation, which prompted me to come to college to go on a counselling course.
She was quite nervous, quite sort of distant, so she wanted help, but she wasn't overly confident around people.
Shortly into my counselling course, the perpetrator was found guilty and he had 16 years, so I was quite overjoyed by that. And it just inspired me to go on the counselling course to help people in a vulnerable situation like I was.
The progress she's made has been pretty incredible. She's gone from really nonsensical gibberish at times to something that really does make a lot of sense. And she'll be the first to admit it, like it was a million miles away from where she wanted to be.
I thought, oh, can I do this? Am I going to look stupid? You know, when you haven't got a lot of confidence and you're a certain age, it's really difficult. Plus I had this horrific incident prior to coming to college. But then when I came, I liked it, I enjoyed it, nobody made me feel stupid. So I thought, oh, I'll crack on with this, you know, give it a real go. And then when I met Kevin and the library staff, that was it. I was just a permanent feature then. They just couldn't get rid of me.
Well, obviously really pleased that Terri won the award, and I really couldn't think of anyone more deserving. This won't be the end of Terri's learning, and I'm sure she'll go on and achieve a lot more in the future.
Oh, wonderful. I couldn't believe it when I had the phone call. I was like, oh my God, I was that nervous. I couldn't take it all in, and I was like, I was trying to phone Kevin, and Kevin was at a workshop, so I left a message on his phone, and then I was just so elated. It was wonderful, really wonderful.